Mmat metamaterials. Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to be talking about Mmat in this episode, so make sure to go check all of my episodes today because I will be uploading a lot of videos. But let's just keep on talking about Mmat, okay? So metamaterials. Yesterday it closed at a price of right around $3.56. So this is where we closed. We were kind of being up, and yesterday was a very beautiful day. Okay, we were up like 30 cents or approximately 8.87%. That's about it. So this is how my prediction looks like. Like I was not right here, but yeah, it kind of stumbled upon here. Then I think that it can push to the upside, then kind of come back right there, and then push to the upside too. But I know it is silly for me for kind of predicting the bottom where that is right around here. This is why I have my fucking my freaking line right here. Okay, but yeah, screw that. We have chances to even come here, kind of, but I think that we are not gonna be breaking through this kind of support right there. This support is at right around $2.61 and $2.40. So this is kind of the zone, okay, not the actual price or something. Okay, so on the lower time frame, this is actually on the 4 hour time frame. This is how it looks like on the daily chart. Okay, if we go to the 1 hour, even on the 30-minute chart, this as you can see, I kind of had a discounting channel. Okay, this channel was being like perfectly respected, but then out of nowhere, the market like kind of opened, then we kind of started pushing to the upside, right? So yeah, that's about it. About the new day or yesterday that happened, and where are we at the moment? Okay, so I think that we are right around here. We are right around about to retest this kind of zone right here, and then kind of push to the downside. This is just my opinion, okay? You can have your own opinion and all the good stuff, but this is just my opinion. And also, Webull just recently did not have the industry mark correct. It has been updated. Thank God that it has been updated. I know that it was kind of, it was a lot of frustrations right there, and they said, it is in a semiconductor and related of devices company. Okay, uh, they kind of like, yeah, changed it, but yeah, it's pretty good about Weibo. They had it there, like they have their industry not correct for a long time, but they kind of corrected it. Okay, that's about it. So I know I found some 16 years old. So we're going to be talking about what 16 years old needs to say about Mmat on Reddit. Okay, letters video. Okay, I'm just gonna be giving you what are my thoughts about technical analysis here, still because this is not it. Okay. So this is what I think will be happening. That we're kind of pushing back to the downside. Why? Because we're in a clear downtrend, of course. We're kind of retesting these zones right here, and I'm not like overall bearish on MMAT or something like that. Do not get me wrong, but I think that is what's going to be happening, and we can even just kind of come even right here around 375 and then push to the downside. But we will see what will be happening. Okay, nobody can tame the market up. We can just give kind of a calculated, in caption marks, calculated predictions, right? So yeah, this is with the moving averages, what's going on all with them. Kind of had a dead cross right here on 6th of July. This is on a 1 hour chart. This is how it looks like on a 30-minute chart. The 150 moving average are below the price, but the 200 moving average is just above that. So yeah, we are in a clear downtrend overall on the long term too. As you can see, we are below the 200 moving average, but it is what it is. Not really going to be concerned about that. I know a lot of people have a lot of shares. I'm not even going to lie about that, bro. Imagine uh, how much you need to believe in Mmat to put in like 51k. Okay, 51k, not even more. What am I talking about? That's more to have like 14 million shares. But yeah, this guy, I saw him also on Reddit. It's a classic A, bro. Keep on going, like this is the ticket to the moon, and bro, in the future, bro, you're gonna get the bag. I'm not even gonna lie, okay? You're gonna get the bag. But yeah, that's basically it. Also, I found a quick scam about the Sexui. That's about the SEKISUI in the works. Okay, so they said that in March 2021, Sicko and Meta launched their website and announcement of the collaborative relationship. Okay, a commercial deal is in the preparation. Like, we will see what will be happening with that. Also, that I was talking about, that 16-year-old. This is what he has to say. Okay, let me just position myself up, and yeah. So he says, well, let's have a talk. You and me, I have been a TRCH in Mmat since the 5th of April. Let's be honest, I stepped in because of the special dividend. People have some really stupid thoughts about this dividend, but I'll return to the subject later. Okay, after I bought, I didn't look at the stock until it exploded. Big man things. Okay, I started selling off slowly with my last and final sale at $9. He also said, I was expecting a pullback because of the chaos of the merger and was planning on stepping in with a small position of my profits after everything around Meta calmed down. Okay, I started doing some extra research, and then a certain feeling arose in me. Regret. MMAT's opportunity you do not find often. A unicorn, a company which is setting itself up to be the market leader in its genre, and very recent example of it is it in the membership in the Stanford University System X alliance with the likes of AMD, Apple, Google, and more. Meta has product developed, although not fully commercialized. The base is there. These products are huge possibilities. Yes, possibilities, nothing is sure, but let's just say things are looking good. I can keep going, but I think my point is made. I stepped back in Meta with 2/3 of my old TRCH money, with a present average cost of around $6.3. Yeah, of course I should have held it, but that's a lesson learned. About the dividend, are some people really so stupid to be stressing about their dividend? When are we gonna get our dividend, George? You are a scam. Well, first, the land needs to be sold. Like, pretty logical. The estimated time these sales will be finalized is around December, so prepare for a nice Christmas gift for all preferred stockholders. To everyone stressing about Meta, MMAT, come on, man. Although he's 40% down, it's not as big of a bag as most of you. Don't stress. Meta is something different. I have full confidence in this company, and so should you. Feel free to reply with the questions or critiques and all the good stuff. And one guy replied, if a 16-year-old can take the emotion out of the day-to-day activity of this stock and follow the due diligence, then what the fuck is everyone else's problem? Not even mentioning the dividend, okay? As that's a whole other topic that has been explained and explained again. And explained yet again very clearly and logical by a 16-year-old whose first language is not English. Good stuff, kid. Awesome words from here. Okay, a 16-year-old from Netherlands is entirely different than a 16-year-old from US. The staggering difference is right night and day. Okay, but this guy had a beautiful word to say. Awesome from him. I also I stand by his words, and that's about it. Peace out, guys. Have a great day for the rest of your day. I believe in MMAT, and I think that you should too. And for those of you who are not still invested, I don't know what are you doing. I'm not here to force you or anything, but I'm not financial advisor too. But do your own due diligence and see the kind of opportunity that you're going to be regretting in the future. Okay. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.